Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this accident-free, one owner, 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD High Country. Powering this crew cab is a DURAMAX 6.6 liter turbo diesel V8 cranking out 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque paired to an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. Moving to the back of the truck, you have the rear bumper corner steps. This truck is also equipped with the standard box, which has rails for your fifth wheel hitch and access to a 7-way 24-volt plug. Moving up to the interior, you have the memory function for your driver's seat, power adjustable mirrors and windows, the nice wood grain trim, as well as the BOSE premium sound system. You have a handle to help you get in, your trailer brake controller, as well as four-wheel drive controls. On the steering wheel is your cruise control, heated steering wheel, forward collision warning, as well as your display controls and hands-free audio. This truck currently has just 32,662 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit, your dual zone automatic climate control, as well as heated and cooled front seats. You have your accessories including parking sensors, lane departure warning, and exhaust brake, as well as all of your power plugs and additional storage. There's also a wireless phone charger, and this truck is equipped with the High Country premium leather seats, which are both power adjustable in the front. For the back of the interior, you have lots of storage in the door panel, a great view of the sun and moonroof, handles to help you get in, as well as seat pockets in the back of both front seats, access to a 12-volt power adapter, more additional storage, and these are 60/40 split flip-up rear seats with a flip-down cup holder in the center. If you would like to see this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD High Country in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.